guys, I'm Varenya. Welcome back to my channel. So, when you read the title of the video or saw the thumbnail, what was the first thing that struck your mind about Kerala? Was it the backwaters, or the houseboat, or the tasty banana chips? No? Or was it the long, beautiful hair of the Malayali women? Or was it the beautiful temples and the Syrian churches? As of me, all of these. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about two distinct tourist circles. The first one is for those of you who want to visit Kerala for its beautiful temples and Syrian churches. And the other one is for the wildlife and the nature seekers. To begin with, location number 1, the capital city, Thiruvananthapuram/Trivandrum. And you know what? It has a very beautifully done, authentic temple, Anantha Padmanabha Swami temple, one of my favorite temple. And you know what, guys? It is the world's richest temple. And recently there were some hidden treasures found, and the approximated value of those treasures were 1.2 lakh crore rupees. Oh my God! Location number 2, Shabarimala, which has an ancient temple solemnly dedicated to Lord Ayyappa. This temple is in a very serene surrounding and on the banks of river Pampa. And this temple opens up once every year, and millions of devotees come to see the Lord every year. Location number 3, Kottayam. It has the famous Tirunakara Sri Mahadevar temple. It is about 500 years old and it is built by the Thekumukur Raja, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Location number 4, Ernakulam, which has the temple of Ernakula Thappan, which apparently means Lord of Ernakulam. Location number 5, Thrissur. The famous Vadakkunathan temple, which was made by wood, is in this holy city. And the Lord Parashurama has built this temple. And the archaeological department has also recommended this place to be one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Also, is also in this place where the mega blockbuster film Bahubali was shot. Location number 6, Guruvayur. The famous Guruvayurappa temple or the Sri Krishna temple is in this place. And you can also see the jumbo elephants and the cutie Krishna in this temple. Now I'm going to talk about the second circuit, which is for the nature lovers out there. Location number 1, Kozhikode/Calicut. Kozhikode was the first place where Vasco da Gama entered India. It is known for its spice gardens, and yeah, that is me. It is also known for its beaches, aka Sunset Point. Location number 2 is Wayanad. Wayanad has a wildlife sanctuary with so many elephants, tigers and many other animals. It also has the Edakkad caves, the beautiful Suchipara waterfalls and the Chembra Peak trek for the adventure seekers. Location number 3 is Munnar. I don't know how it's pronounced. Comment and let me know. Munnar is known for its tea plantations, rubber plantations and the beautiful Adukkad waterfalls. It also has the Echo Point, which is for great picnics and stuff. It also has the Eravikulam National Park, which is home to the endangered Nilgiri Tar. Very close to Thekkady, you can visit the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, which is home to a variety of flora and fauna. There is bamboo rafting too available in the sanctuary for the thrill seekers. Location number 5, Kochi/Cochin. Cochin is famous for its world famous Chinese fishing nets. Also the St. Francis Church. Also the Mangalavanam Bird Sanctuary. Also the Santa Cruz Basilica Catholic Church. Location number 6 and the final destination in this Kerala package is Komarakam and Alleppey. The best part of Komarakam Alleppey is the houseboat journey between the two cities. Also, make sure you visit the snake boat race, which is held every year in Alleppey during Onam. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. And if you did like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with all your friends and family. Comment and let me know what was your favorite part in this series, and don't forget to subscribe.